Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
Brief facts of the case as placed before this court by learned counsel for accused appellant are that as per dying declaration of Rajiv within bracket deceased on 11 August 1984 at around 7 am he had gone to get vegetables from his farm full stop. While he was plucking rice pods for vegetables from his farm at about 7 am, Kamal, Ramesh, and Bintu entered the deceased farm armed with lathis full stop. Then Kamal dragged the deceased to another field while putting scarf around the deceased's neck and started beating him with lathi. Accused Kamal hit the deceased with lathi and his legs full stop. The reason for such joint assault was that the deceased misled the relatives of accused Ramesh, which resulted into a dispute between Kamal and his relatives full stop Stenja. Thereafter, Kiran, wife of deceased, came there and started shouting, whereupon all the three accused ran away, and the deceased son Sonu and his brother Jatin also reached at the place of incident and took the deceased to a hospital full stop. Thereafter, on 11 August 1984, the deceased gave a dying declaration before Ramdev Singh, Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police Station Chunawat, wherein he stated the whole story at Government Hospital Sri Ganganagar full stop. On the basis of the aforementioned information, an FIR was registered for the offences under sections 323 and 447 IPC, and the investigation accordingly commenced full stop. Subsequently, on 15 August 1984, another dying declaration was recorded in the presence of magistrate, which is the exhibit D10, wherein deceased Rajiv stated that the entire incident had happened at the instance of Sunil and Kishan, but they had not been prosecuted full stop. Subsequently, the deceased Rajiv was transferred to Civil Hospital, Ludhiana, and during the investigation on 21 August 1984, Rajiv died under treatment. The death was opined to have been caused due to the injuries inflicted by the accused appellants full stop. The learned trial court framed the charges against the accused appellants and trial accordingly commenced, wherein the accused were prosecuted under sections 364 and 447 IPC full stop. During the course of trial, the evidence of 12 prosecution witnesses were recorded and 43 documents were exhibited on behalf of the prosecution, and the evidence of one defense witness was recorded and 12 documents were exhibited on behalf of the accused full stop Stenja. Whereafter, the accused appellants were examined, in which the accused appellants pleaded innocence and their false implication in the criminal case in question full stop. Thereafter, upon hearing the contentions of both the parties as well as considering the material and evidence placed on record, the learned trial court convicted and sentenced the accused appellants under Section 34 and 447 IPC while acquitting them under Sections 364 IPC as above, void the impugned judgment of conviction and order of sentence dated 14 November 1987, full stop. Learned counsel for the accused appellants submitted that there are two dying declarations. One was recorded before the police and the other before the magistrate, full stop. As per learned counsel, in both dying declarations, different persons were named as accused, which shows that there was a clear contradiction between the contents of both the dying declarations, full stop. It was further submitted that the dying declarations were not trustworthy because of their high degree of contradictions, and further on count of the deceased being not in a fit state of mind at the relevant time, full stop.